How to download Facebook Messenger chat conversations. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download your Facebook Messenger chat conversations. So let us begin. First, open up your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, you can go to the menu section that's on the bottom right. And after you're there, go to the settings that's on the top right. After you tap on it, you will see all of your settings available on your Facebook. So let it load. And after it loads, what you'll then need to do is you can scroll down till you find a section that says your information. And if you don't find it, you can simply go to your Meta Account Center right there and go to your information from there too. So as you can see right here, it has a section called your information. Tap on access your information or download your information. Tap on download your information and it will redirect you to your account center. After you've gone there, what you'll then need to do is tap on download or transfer information. Then select your Facebook, tap on next, and here you will be able to select all of your available information or your specific type of information. Tap on specific type of information, and then here you'll need to select your messages. Tap on messages and then tap on next. Now here you can download it directly to your device or transfer it to a destination. Let's download it to our device. Now here you can change the settings to whichever year or whichever date you want. And after you've done that, tap on create files and it will create a file for you, and then you can download it from here. So that is basically how you can download your information of Facebook Messenger chat. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.